Hi, Steve Hughes again of Hands-On Physics Education. I'm down at Dole's Rocks and we're here to look at a full moon, which you can see behind me. It's just come up there. It's the 22nd of August 2021. Now this moon is special because it's a blue moon. Now you might think it doesn't look particularly blue, and it doesn't. I mean, the moon is blue sometimes. When it's up in the sky during the day, it's blue because the reflected sunlight from the moon is mixed with the blue sky. And so that's why the moon does seem blue sometimes during the day when it's up in the sky. So why is a blue moon called a blue moon? Well, it's a blue moon when there's 4 full moons within an astronomical season, and the third moon in that series of 4 is called a blue moon. I don't know why they don't call the 4th one a blue moon and why it's the 3rd one. Maybe because normally there are 3 full moons within a 3-month period. Now, August the 22nd, that is between June the 21st, which is the winter solstice. I'm here down under, so in August that's we're sort of coming out of winter now. So the 21st of June, that's the winter solstice, and the 23rd of September is the spring equinox, equal day and equal night. Now in that period this year there are 4 full moons. There was one on June the 25th, July the 24th, today, August the 22nd, and there'll be another one on the 21st of September, just 2 days before the spring equinox. And so this is the 3rd in that cycle of 4. Now blue moons occur about once every 2.7 years, so they are fairly rare. So when someone says something occurs once every blue moon, then they are correct to use that expression because blue moons are fairly rare. Now sometimes blue moons can actually look blue, and that's when there are dust particles in the air. It could be from a volcano or from a bushfire, and the dust particles can actually scatter red light rather than blue. So in the blue sky all around us, the sky is blue because of something called Rayleigh scattering, and it's where the wavelength of light is larger than the molecules doing the scattering. But when the particles are about the same size as the wavelength of light, a bit larger, we get something called Mie scattering, M-I-E. You might have seen pictures of towns taken during bushfires and the sky is glowing red, and the sky's not red because of the bushfires from the flames, it's actually red because of the scattering of the light. And so if there's more red scattering than blue scattering, then the sun and the moon can appear blue. If we were standing on Mars at the moment, and rather than, of course, the moon in the sky, it would be either Phobos or Deimos. Those are the moons of Mars. They would actually look blue. There'd be a blue tint, and that's because Mie scattering happens in the atmosphere of Mars. Phobos and Deimos are much smaller than our moon. In fact, if we were on the surface of Mars, Phobos would look about just less than half the size of the sun in the sky on Mars, and Deimos only 1/10 of the size. But nevertheless, they would actually have a blue tint to them because the sky can go blue on Mars. I'm going to put some links to some pictures, a link to a picture down in the YouTube description that you can have a look at it. So that's the story behind a blue moon.